I made a viral faceless YouTube channel using only AI, with a plan to create a step-by-step template so you can copy it and blow up on YouTube, which turned out to be one of the most successful plans I've ever created, and let me explain why. While searching for new viral ideas, I discovered an insane channel that with just 13 videos has gained over 100,000 subscribers and millions of views. That's when I got the idea to recreate it. But before we start, let me be clear. If you don't watch this video all the way through, you'll miss crucial steps and you won't see any results. Now listen, a faceless YouTube channel is one of the best businesses you can start in 2025. And in this video, I'll guide you through everything from start to finish with a proven method that works. Which takes us back to the channel I mentioned. Their success is unreal because they're posting in a niche that's brand new and not saturated, which is quite smart. So I'm going to show you how to create videos in the same niche, but with a unique twist. I'll teach you how to create a viral script, add incredible animations, use the perfect voiceover, and even include a talking avatar to make your videos stand out. But we're not stopping there. I'll also walk you through creating a professional channel, designing an eye-catching thumbnail, and using SEO optimization to get maximum visibility, which is something that all the gurus out there don't really teach you. As you can see, this channel has achieved insane results because it is perfectly SEO optimized, but also, the creator has done a pretty good job with the channel branding, which is the first crucial step to have a successful channel. So now, let me show you how to create a perfectly branded channel with some techniques you have maybe never seen before. First, you need a channel name, so open ChatGPT and ask it to give you channel name ideas specifically for a History of Humankind channel. And just like that, you'll have multiple channel name options in seconds. Now choose the name that you like and ask ChatGPT to give you a channel description for the name you've chosen. Once you have the name and description ready, ask it to give you an image prompt that you can use in Leonardo AI to create a channel logo. But before we get to that, I want to announce that I've created my own Telegram channel, where I'll drop daily gems of insane knowledge, guide you, and help you level up every single day. Also, all of the prompts we'll be using in this video will be there. So join the Telegram channel, and you'll find everything there. Now let me show you how to create a perfectly branded logo, completely for free. Once you have the logo image prompt ready, simply copy it and head over to Leonardo AI. Once you're in, open the image creation tool. Here you need to set the preset to Leonardo Phoenix and adjust the image dimensions to square, as that's the perfect format for a logo. Now just paste the prompt into the prompt box and click generate. The process takes about 30 seconds, and once it's done, you'll see some amazing logo examples ready to use. Pick the logo that you like the most and download it. Once you have the channel name, logo, and description ready, head over to YouTube and create your channel, and as you can see, I've already done this to save time. Now, this is where the first step of SEO optimization comes into play. If you open your YouTube studio, go to settings, and then open the channel settings, you'll find a field where you can add keywords for your channel. These keywords are essential because they'll help your channel appear on the first page when people search for topics in your niche, giving you a pretty good boost. To do that, we'll use a tool called vidIQ. Once you're in, open the AI Coach tab on the left side. Here, ask the coach to create perfectly SEO optimized keywords for your channel, making sure to include your channel name. Then, click Generate. This tool is designed specifically for YouTube SEO optimization, so trust me, these are the perfect keywords you need. Now simply copy the keywords and head over to YouTube, paste them into the box, click Save, and just like that, your channel is ready. Before we get to video creation, the most important thing is the video script. To increase your chances of going viral, you need a script that actually works. One of the best ways to do this is by recreating a script that another creator has used to go viral. Let me show you how you can do that with just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open a video that has gone viral in your niche. Then, click the share button and copy the video link. Once you have the link, open a tool called Tactic, which we'll use to transcribe the video. Simply paste the link, and just like that, you'll have the entire video transcribed. Since we don't want to use the exact script for our video, let's create a new original one. Simply copy the script you've exported and open ChatGPT. Now paste the script into the prompt box. But since ChatGPT doesn't allow long text formats, make sure to delete half of the script. Once that's done, click Generate to save it. Now ask ChatGPT to create a new script for your video that's similar to the one you imported. You can stop the video here and copy the prompt I'm using, or join the Telegram channel linked in the description and grab it from there. Once you have the prompt, just click Generate, and just like that, you've created a perfect script with huge potential to go viral. The next step in creating a video that goes viral is to create a voiceover that perfectly represents the video. For that, we'll use a tool called 11 Labs. Once you're in, open the text-to-speech tool, then go back into ChatGPT ChatGPT. Make sure to copy the entire script, then head back to 11 Labs and paste it into the text box. Next, make sure to delete the timestamps and remove any blank spaces between the script. This will help your script flow nicely. On the right side, you'll find a handful of voices to choose from. For this type of video, I prefer to use the health news narrator since it's the best one. You can leave all the other options as standard, then click Generate Speech. Let's see how our voiceover sounds.
You might think of the prehistoric world as a place where humans were always the dominant force. But let me take you back for a moment.
As you can see, this tool is one of the best out there, and the voiceover came out perfect. Now make sure to download it using the download button on the right side, and let me show you how to make the voiceover even better. For that, we'll use CapCut. First, import the voiceover you just downloaded. Once it's imported, drag it down into the editing bar. You'll notice small gaps in the voiceover which can make it sound boring. To fix this, simply go to the part with the gap. Use the cut tool to slice it, and then drag it to the side to erase it. Doing this will make your voiceover sound more fluid and engaging, which makes a huge difference. Once you've done this for the entire voiceover, click the export button. Choose to export only the MP3 file and hit export. Now that you have the voiceover ready, let me show you how to create a talking avatar that will make your video stand out. First, we need to create an avatar image prompt, so open ChatGPT and ask it to create a talking AI avatar image prompt. Feel free to copy the one I'm using and even customize it as you like. Now copy the prompt and open Leonardo AI. Here, simply change the image dimensions to 16 by 9 and leave Leonardo Phoenix as the image preset. You can also click Generate multiple times to get more options to choose from. And boom! You've just created your talking avatar, and the results are really good. Now simply choose the one you like and download it. Although you've just created a talking avatar, he's still not talking, of course, so let's animate him and make it a real talking avatar based on the voiceover you just created. To do this, we will use a tool called DupDub. You can find all the links in the description below. Go ahead and open the AI avatar tool and click on New Avatar. First, upload the avatar image you've created right here. Once it's uploaded, go to the right side and upload the voiceover, and after that, click Generate Talking Avatar. It will take around 5 minutes to generate, and once it's ready, click on the 3 dots below and download it. Okay, now the only thing we are missing is the images for our video, and I will show you a great way to create them. Go back to ChatGPT in the chat where you created the video script. Here, ask it to give you image prompts for the entire script. This prompt is long, so I've already mentioned where you can find all of the prompts. Click Generate, and as easy as that, you have created image prompts that will leave you in shock at how well they work. Now, copy the first image prompt and open Leonardo AI again. Here, paste the prompt. And as for the settings, leave them as you have set them before. Now, let's see how our first image looks like. Boom! The image result is perfect, but make sure to do the same for all of the images and generate them all as I have done right here. Just look at the details. I mean, really, the images are on a next level. Each image has insane quality to it and represents the story perfectly. The only thing you need to do now is to download one image of each generation, and you are finally ready to edit your first video. To edit the video, we will use CapCut. First, upload the images, voiceover, and the avatar you have created. Next, drag down the voiceover into the editing bar. Now, I will drag down only a few images just so you don't get confused, and later I will add the rest of the images. Now listen, if your images don't match the voiceover perfectly, simply drag them to the left to make the length shorter. But don't worry, this step is optional since it doesn't make a big difference. Okay, once that's done, let's add a bit of motion to the images so the video becomes more engaging. To do this, open the Effects menu, and you'll find the Play Pendulum effect. To apply it, simply drag the effect down to the first image. As for the settings, make sure to set the twist and sharpen to 0, and set the strength to 5. And as you can see, it's much better. Now simply do the same and add the effect to all of the images. To make it even more engaging, you can also add the black noise effect and the noise 2 effect to each of your images. These effects are the best because we want the video to have a dark, clean vibe. And you can see the result of this effect for yourself. Everything looks nice and clean. To make it a bit cleaner, you can also add transitions. To do that, open the Transitions menu where you will find hundreds of options. For this video, you can use the black fade transition. Simply drag it down in between 2 clips, and it will be automatically placed for you. Another great option for this style is the mix transition, so feel free to use that as well. Now go ahead and add transitions to all your clips, and once you're done, it should look something like this. Now let's add the talking avatar. Simply find the avatar file and drag it down into the editing bar. After that, make sure to set the avatar's volume to 0. Now, let's apply a mask. Open the mask menu and choose the rectangle mask. Just copy the mask settings I'm using so it will be easier for you. Once that's done, set the round corners to 20. Next, open the basic menu and scale the avatar to around 80%. And after that, just position it where you want him to be. Since we want a darker vibe, let's apply an adjustment. Open the adjustment menu and drag down the adjustment, but make sure you set it below the avatar so it doesn't apply to him. Next, drag it so that it matches the whole video. On the right side, you will find the settings. Here, scroll down and set the vignette to around +20 for the best results. You can also download any no copyright storytelling music and add it to the video, but make sure that you cut it at the end. And also, just so it doesn't overpower the voiceover, lower the volume to around -10. After that, add a 1-second fade out to it, and also a 1-second fade in to make it smoother. Next, click on the first image and open the animations menu, and there choose the fade in animation. Then click on the last image and add a fade out animation to it as well. Also, add a fade out to the talking avatar since they are connected. And finally, let's export the video. Click on the export button. Here set the quality as 4K and choose 60 FPS. Then click export. Now let's see how the final video looks like.
You might think of the prehistoric world as a place where humans were always the dominant force. But let me take you back for a moment. Imagine standing in the middle of a dense, misty forest some 2 million years ago. The ground beneath your feet is damp, and the air is thick with the scent of earth and decay. In the distance, you hear something. The rumble of giant creatures moving through the underbrush, their heavy footfalls shaking the trees. These weren't just any creatures. These were the giant predators that roamed the earth long before humans took their place at the top of the food chain.
Now that we have the video, let's upload it to YouTube, and while the video is uploading, let me show you an insane method to create a thumbnail that will blow your mind. Trust me, the results are going to be next level. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to create a thumbnail using the video title that you can find in the chat where you generated your script. But make sure to copy the full prompt I'm using. Now copy the prompt and head over to Leonardo AI. Here, paste the prompt in the prompt box and leave the settings as they were before. Then click Generate, and let's see how our thumbnail examples look. And boom! The thumbnails that we got are just insane. They have the video title included and some pretty good details. And trust me, they will drive views like crazy. Now choose the one that you like and download it. Now let's do some SEO optimization. Head over to the vidIQ coach I showed before and ask it to create an SEO optimized description for your video title, including double and triple keywords in it. Once you have the description, ask it to create video tags that you will use for the same video, which will be SEO optimized. And just like that, you have created a perfectly SEO optimized description and keywords, including tags that are the most trending in 2025. Now, copy the video description, then go into YouTube and paste it in the description box. If you scroll down to the end, there you will find the video tags. Simply go back into vidIQ, copy the tags, then head back into YouTube and input them into the tag section. Once that's done, scroll up and select Altered Content, answer to No. Then scroll up again and select that the video is not made for kids. And now you just need to upload the thumbnail. Go up, and there you'll find the thumbnail box. Simply import the thumbnail there and you're done. Now, if we go to the video check section, you'll see that the video is fully monetizable and ready to go. And finally, set the video to public and click Publish. Just like that, you've successfully uploaded your YouTube video.